So that one's done. This one is next. Let's see what I can do. Okay. Oh, let's see what's in here. Oh, it's looking pretty dry. I don't know whether there will be anything here except worms. I'm seeing a lot of nice looking worms, but that's about it. Will there be any potatoes here? Any potatoes? Anything? Anything? Oh my gosh, I guess my harvest was too good to be true. Oh my gosh, there's absolutely nothing here. This is so disappointing. What a waste of time and effort. And oh, we have a potato. Come on. There's one here. There's actually one here. And it's a big ass potato. Whoa, whoa. Look at that. It's a big ass potato. That's a big ass potato. Okay, it's actually not big, but considering what I've been harvesting, that's pretty big. And this is not a, yeah, it's a shangi. It's a shangi. I think all the ones I planted might have been shangi. And I didn't do it deliberately, I just did it because that's what I had on hand. So, yeah. Oh, here's another one in a clump of soil. Whoa, yes, that is a good sized potato. That is a good sized potato as well. Look at that. I can't hold it all, so that's good. It's not bad at all. Let's see. Ooh! Ooh! That's another one. So 3 nice sized ones from this gunia bag over here. Not bad. Let's see if there's anything else. You know, I'm pretty sure I'll miss some. Yeah. Okay, there's a tiny one here. Very tiny. Very tiny. I don't think there's anything here, but oh, this soil is nice. As in, it's clumped up a bit, but it's just full of earthworms, and it seems really rich. Of course, it will need some more manure before it can be used again, but it's not bad soil. Especially since I've neglected this stuff for the last... Oh, did you see that? Did you see that? That's like a... This is like a minuscule potato. You see that? Get it. It's so tiny you can't see it. Yeah. Oh, spider. Spider. Where are you? Okay, let's not get distracted. Let's try and finish up here. I think we have one more bag to go. Yeah, I don't think there's any more here, but those 3 big ones, like literally if you had 2 eggs each and a big sized potato and half a plate of greens, whether it's spinach or amaranth or sweet potato leaves. Sweet potato leaves need another name because I'm tired of calling them sweet potato leaves. Whoa, I'm so tired already. Can you imagine if I had to dig stuff like a whole acre of land just to grow this stuff? I'd be super muscular and super